Hello my lovies! Today I'm gonna teach you a recipe that can help your skin to look flawless. So it will help you fight acne, fine lines, moisturize it and exfoliate it without rubbing it. So all you need is cinnamon and honey. So for the honey you need 2 tablespoons and for the cinnamon you need 1 tablespoon. You should mix them well until obtaining a paste-like structure.
It's so tasty.
Finally, you should spread the mixture on your face to get an even coverage, but using your hands. You feel like it's sticky, but it covers well. You can even put it on your neck for your fine lines. I feel like something is going on here, like I can't explain, but something on my acne, so I feel like it's working. Leave the mask on your face from 10 till 15 minutes, then rinse it off with water. So I removed the mask and as you can see I have a little bit reddish face. It's because of cinnamon. It promotes a higher blood flow, higher circulation, so now my vessels are
swollen.
And for the honey is really good in moisturizing. Now I can feel my face is very hydrated. I don't need to use creams, and it has organic acid that exfoliates the face without
rubbing it.
Also, it has an antibacterial property, so the acne, you can feel that like the acne are getting smaller. So my final advice to you, if you have a sensitive skin, don't put it more than 10 minutes. And if you have a very sensitive skin, like you can't use honey or cinnamon, don't use it. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was beneficial to you. Try it, you will like it. Let me know what's your opinion about it. Don't hesitate to ask me any question. Don't miss to subscribe, to like. Love you all.